Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for clicking on this video and yeah, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we'll be doing some cleaning and yeah, I'll be cleaning my kitchen, washing up, not quite cleaning, but I'll be washing up the things we used last night. Today is Saturday morning and uh, Fridays are always, not always, but sometimes it's always like this on Saturday mornings. So Fridays, it's all weekend, and so Friday nights, having the time with the kids, spending the time as a family, and maybe staying up late night, and maybe before you know it, you are tired. You know, motherhood can be overwhelming, and it comes with a lot of things. So sometimes you don't have the time to do it at all time. I'm the kind of person that loves to wash up as I go, or as I do things. I like to just get things done at the same time. But sometimes it can be overwhelming, and we just decided to let things just let them be. And when you have time and when you feel like to do them, you do them. So today is Saturday morning, and this is the things we used last night, and yeah. So I'll go ahead to take the things. I've just cleared the space where I'll be putting the plate, the rack, and then I'm just cleaning up. Then I'll go ahead to put the rack back. Then I will start washing up. So if you are new to the channel, obviously you are new to the channel because this is actually my first video here. So please consider subscribing to the channel, be part of the family. And yeah, so on this channel I'll be doing a lot of things. I'll be sharing my life as a mother of four, and this is one of the things I'll be doing on this channel. I'll be doing a lot of cleaning, and I'll be doing a lot of cook with me and a lot of reviews as well. So I'll be doing reviews on this channel, doing unboxing. Just this channel is all about what you expect from a mother. So if you're a mother like me, come on, let's do it together. And even if you're not a mother, come, let's do it together. I hope you enjoy what you see on this channel, and I hope you will learn one or two things, most importantly, from here as well. You will learn from each other. You learn from me, I learn from you. Nobody knows it all, you know. So yeah, I'm just yeah, washing, and yeah, I'm washing the blender, and yeah. So guys, please, let's do this together. I will not do it alone without your help. So come on, let's do it together. And yeah, I'll just let you watch the enjoy the video, and I hope you learn one or two things, and the video motivates you as well. Yeah, because I know some of us, some people might say they can't do it. Sometimes you feel like you just have to let everything be and just take your time, you know. You can't do everything at once, even if when you try to do and your body doesn't want to do it. Just let your body rest, and you continue when you feel like to continue. So guys, I'll just let you enjoy the video then.
sunsets. Love, it keeps me high.
So guys, we are finally coming to the end of today's video, and yeah, I hope I was able to motivate you in one way or the other, or you enjoyed the video. So please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, and share the video with your family and friends, and subscribe. The most importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn your bell notification on to get notified each time I upload a new video. So here is what I'm able to achieve. This is the final look of what I'm able to achieve. Yeah, I didn't do it much, and it was just for me to wash up and do a little bit of cleaning, and yeah, that's it. I didn't do much this morning, so this is the final look, and yeah, once I've just finished, I'll go ahead to make myself a cup of tea, and before my babies wake up, and yeah, some of them have woken up, as you can hear from the background of the video. Some are awake already, but not all. So I'll go ahead and make myself a cup of tea and just have just a me time, maybe just for 15 to 10 minutes before everyone wakes up. So now I'm just making myself a cup of tea, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this very point, thank you, thank you, thank you. And do not forget to subscribe. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.